The next section in designing is selecting the module mounting structure. The selection of module mounting structure is based on following factors. The first one being wind load, or in case you are located in a cold region, snow load. The next is type of roof structure, which basically means whether your roof is metallic, is it a RCC roof, or it is some other kind of roof. The next factor is what is the type of mounting you are interested in, whether it's a fixed tilt system, a flush mount system, or any other system. The other factor that impacts the selection of mounting structure is the structure material. The module mounting structures for solar are basically divided into two types. One that is made from GI, that is galvanized iron, and the other that is made from aluminium. Aluminium structures are quite lightweight, but they have their own limitations. Similarly, GI structures are cheaper, but they are prone to corrosion. So, the selection of your structure material will depend on the type of environment that they are located in. Which brings us to the next selection criteria, that is type of environment. So for an example, if your project is located in a coastal area or in a highly corrosive environment, you will avoid the GI material, as galvanized iron is more prone to corrosion and your structure can be highly corroded in a few years. In such cases, you prefer aluminium structures. And last but not the least, the cost of structure is also important. The cost of a structure in PV plant can be around 5% of the project cost, and hence that's also a decision making factor. Let us now have a look at different kinds of mounting structures available out there. The first kind of structure is the fixed tilt structure. Fixed tilt structures are used most widely in projects that are created in open spaces and for utility scale plants. This structure involves a column which is anchored into the ground and the modules are placed on top of it. This is one of the most widely used structures for utility scale projects. And as far as cost is concerned, they are quite economical when used for utility scale projects. The next kind of structure is the flush mount structure, as you can see right here. In flush mount structures, the modules are laid flat to the roof surface. Flush mount structures are quite widely used in residential projects and in commercial projects which have an inclined roof. As far as cost is concerned, flush mount structures are the cheapest as they use very less amount of structure material. The only disadvantage of flush mount structure is that you may not always be facing the optimum azimuth. Your structure or your panels need to face the direction of your roof surface, and hence it may not always be an optimum azimuth. Single axis tracking structure. Single axis tracking refers to a structure which tracks the daily movement of sun from east to west. Single axis tracking generates around 15% more energy as compared to fixed tilt structure, but on the other side they are also quite expensive. Out of all the structures discussed, single axis tracking is the most expensive out there. Just to give you a rough idea, if you compare it with fixed tilt project, the overall addition in the capex cost is around 10% of your project. The next structure is the ballasted structure. Ballasted structure is one of the most widely used structures in the US and in Europe. The ballasted structure is pretty similar to a fixed tilt structure, The differences being it is a low tilt and placed quite close to the ground. But ballasted structure has many other advantages, and those are quick installation, cheaper as compared to fixed tilt, and a better utilization of space.